Welcome to this SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today I'll be guiding you how to play around the sketch tools in SolidWorks as a beginner. First, let's go to Parts. Click on OK. Here in this interface, we have different planes. We have the front plane, top plane, right plane. First, you need to select a plane to work on. I click on my front plane. I click on Sketch Tool. This is symbol for Sketch Tool. We have different sketch tools. Here, as you can see, we have the line, we have the circle, ellipse, rectangle. So let's just play with them. This is the center line. This is the midpoint line. This is a rectangle. We have different types of rectangle. So just for you to play around them so you get familiar with them as well. This is for slots. We have circle and perimeter circle. We have 3-point arc. We have ellipse. So far you have been able to play around the sketch tools. Let me do something more realistic. I light this and I hit my delete to take them off.
Arrow, what did the guys run?
Now they send me a message.
They send me a message.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to corner line, corner rectangle. Circle. We have this, and with this you have been able to sketch a house. So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.